Yeah, what's up, beautiful people coming out from the farm? I want to eat beans cake. Yeah, so this is Male. I call her Male. She knows how to do this very, very well, and she serves the community. So I'm just coming out from the farm, and I have my money. I want to buy this. So I'm also going to be adding fire the way Male used to add fire. I hope you guys know this kind of food. It's our Nigerian local beans cake. So Mama, tell us how wait the mix. We take do this Akara.
Na beans, onions, pepper, salt, only.
Then wait till they use fry and groundnut or palm oil.
Groundnut oil. Because if not village, na red oil we dey use. But now city don't come. Not be everybody like red oil. But groundnut oil, they make the color come out well.
Yeah, guys, now as a Nigerian picking now, yeah, the village girl, so we like all those kind of things. But I know some of you over there used to enjoy this kind of thing, but we cannot ship this down to you. So that's what I want to buy. I'll be waiting for this one on the fire to get ready so that I can buy it and go and eat it. And when I want to eat it, I'll be putting it inside bread. That's how we do it. We open the bread, put it inside and start eating. Yeah, so don't fail to always keep Samson up. Subscribe to my channel, tap the bell for notification of every day will come. Ciao. Yeah, so you can see more people coming to buy. You normally queue for this. You wait for your turn. We have the ones that Mama have already removed first. Yeah, and that's the beans. Yeah, so this is one of our food, especially when the weather is so cold. You just come and get this and take with your pap, or you can eat it with the bread, anything you want to eat with it. So I keep giving you updates. Now I'll be going home after buying mine.
Might give you a own coin, maybe go
But now the hot one I want. Just give them here. I mean, the money they put so.
No, see
Okay. So I'm going to be buying the beans cake of 200 naira. Much because I have people that are going to eat it. Yeah. Oh boy, what finish her?
No, now this baby. When I need petrol, okay, when I need petrol.
You need money, ma?
Yes, ma.
How much Akara you can't give me?
Oh, thank you. Caleb, how you doing?
How much Akara?
Yeah, man, they come. Never ready. Yeah, so you can actually see this is good. People are coming to buy more and more.
He can't tell us, say, may you give me Akara 100 naira. I can't say, mommy, no, they do like this, maybe you no talk. He say he talk.
No, no talk. Me, I see 15 naira for you.
And I see.
Wait a minute.
As I can't tell them, you come here, I say, hey,
Give me a tea our own.
No be smart money, my brother. Yeah. So you buy and you go.
You no even wan reach your side because you don get
So
another
yeah.
for there.
So you can see our vicinity. Mm.
Na me tear am o. I think say
Na 50 naira na me put am.
I don talk I say you go na to lose people go hard o.
Mala, those your big bread. You don't get.
Hey, my sister, in the big bread don't finish. Na this small small. Na only 2 I dey buy.
Okay.
Na the small small I dey buy 10.
Thank you. God bless you.
You just want to yourself to gorilla for area. As the everybody wey near ranch, that's wrong. Everybody that will be known for you.
Now this one you go come on my own for me, abi mommy.
I don't come out one.
Okay.
Ah, get that.
Go northern.
Thank you.
Why the baby?
Yep. So I'm actually waiting for my own to be ready. So that I'll get it and go home. Yeah, I have pap already made pap at home. So I'll be getting this. We have to be real. We have to eat our own food, which is beans cake akara. Yeah, correct one. So I'm waiting for her to pass mine. I'll take it home.
Sister, in case you are in now, just let me know.
Oh yeah now. Take it down.
Since we sit down that for that place, you know.
Oh, got me. Good morning. Good morning, ma.
When I come in,
Nothing concern them now. Now me they hear them. I'll put my own. I want video my own. Yeah, so that's mine. I want to- Yeah. Yeah, Fortune, collect it. Yeah.
Good morning, ma.
Good morning.
Mama, don't give up my room.
Take, give me change. Yeah?
Don't give up my room.
Oh, yeah, give me 700. Let me give 100 now. Thank you. Hi, guys.
Alex.
So I've just bought this and I'm going back home. Checking for him to do what?
That's him.
Hey! Ah, so this is just close by to the house. Yeah, be same video you join.
Abeg, I know
What's
say
happening?
the officer. You can come.
Yeah, so this is also what we have here. It's a well.
I'm drying well.
Yes.
This well is more than pure water.
Yes. So,
Very nice, very
so
clean.
you can see this is water.
Colorless and odorless.
We have this. It's called buga. We use this buga to fetch water. And this is Mommy Amu. She's the owner of this mini mart. This mini mart here, this wonderful mini mart. So this is very close by. This is where we get our fresh tomatoes, fresh pepper, fresh leaves, just close by to the house. So at times we don't really need to stress ourselves going far to get anything. Yes, I'm actually going home now. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Mama Umu, bye bye.